Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the Micron MT1ATSF4 G7 DDR3 a 32GB DDR4 RDIMM stick clocked at 3200 MHz with a CL22 latency. This memory module is designed to breathe new life into your desktop, especially if you're dealing with memory-intensive tasks. First impressions are solid. The module feels robust, thanks to its stainless steel construction. The silver finish gives it a clean, professional look that will fit well in most builds. But aesthetics are secondary. Performance is king. This Micron RDIMM boasts a 32GB capacity, which is a sweet spot for many users. Whether you're a content creator juggling large video files, a gamer running demanding titles, or a professional working with complex datasets, 32GB provides ample headroom to avoid bottlenecks and keep your system running smoothly. The 3200 MHz speed is right in the performance sweet spot for DDR4. It offers a noticeable improvement over slower memory modules, resulting in snappier application loading times, smoother multitasking, and improved overall system responsiveness. The CL22 latency is fairly standard for this speed and capacity. Compatibility is always a concern when upgrading memory. This RDIMM is designed for desktops, so make sure your motherboard supports DDR4 RDIMM modules before purchasing. Registered DIMMs, or RDIMMs, include a register that helps stabilize the memory signal, which is especially important in servers and high-performance workstations. While this offers stability, it also means it won't work in standard desktop motherboards that require unbuffered DIMMs, UDIMMs. In real-world use, the Micron 32GB DDR4 RDIMM shines. During testing, video editing software felt more responsive, large datasets loaded quicker, and gaming performance saw a noticeable boost, particularly in titles that are known to be memory-intensive. The system as a whole felt more fluid and less prone to stuttering, even under heavy loads. Micron is a well-respected name in the memory industry, known for producing reliable and high-quality components. This RDIMM is no exception. It's built to last and designed to deliver consistent performance over the long haul. Overall, the Micron MT1ATSF4 G7 32GB DDR4 RDIMM is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their desktop's memory capacity and performance. Just be sure to check your motherboard's compatibility before you buy. If your system can take advantage of RDIMMs, this module is a worthwhile investment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.